keeps GPU cool, prevents overheating, improves performance, and enables stable high-end gaming or rendering. Today's video is about top 5 best GPU water blocks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Raijintek GPU water blocks. This GPU water block combines high-performance cooling with a premium visual design, making it ideal for custom PC builders and enthusiasts. The addressable rainbow RGB lighting adds a vibrant and customizable aesthetic, enhancing any gaming setup. Inside, the 3D microstructure flow tunnel is designed to improve coolant circulation, helping maintain efficient heat dissipation during heavy GPU loads. This ensures more stable performance during gaming, rendering, or intensive workloads. Built with full copper material and alloy brazing, it offers excellent thermal conductivity for superior cooling efficiency. The nickel-plated and mirror-polished finish not only improves durability but also adds a sleek, high-end look. With standard G1/4-inch threading, it easily integrates into most custom water cooling loops, providing flexibility for system upgrades and expansion. Overall, this is a durable, efficient, and visually impressive GPU water block designed for users who want both strong cooling performance and a stylish RGB setup. Now our second product is YXHGeeek GPU water blocks. This GPU water block is designed with a strong focus on efficient cooling performance and long-term reliability. The 0.33mm jet micro water channels significantly increase heat absorption area, while up to 44 channels and an extended 158.451mm copper plate ensure wider coolant coverage for powerful heat dissipation. Its matte finish craftsmanship gives it a premium look, while the upper and lower sandwich structure provides solid all-round protection for the component. The lightweight design helps reduce stress on the GPU PCB, preventing deformation during installation or long-term use. The chemically nickel-plated surface enhances durability by resisting corrosion and erosion, ensuring stable performance over time. A 6mm structural design with a single-layer sealing ring helps minimize the risk of leakage, improving overall safety. Additionally, the 0.35mm copper base is engineered to reduce thermal resistance and improve heat transfer efficiency. Overall, this is a well-built, efficient, and reliable GPU water block for high-performance cooling systems. Our third product is Meta Online LLC GPU water blocks. This liquid metal thermal compound offers premium-level cooling performance designed for high-end CPUs, GPUs, and gaming systems. Made in the USA and tested under strict quality control, it ensures consistent purity and reliable long-term performance, making it trusted by professional repair users. It includes a precision 1G syringe for accurate application, along with a cleaning wipe that helps remove old thermal paste easily for a clean installation process. The application is smooth and controlled, which is important for sensitive hardware. With extreme thermal conductivity using a gallium-indium tin alloy enhanced with silver, it delivers excellent heat transfer, especially for overclocked or high-performance systems. It remains stable under heavy thermal loads without drying out or degrading over time. However, it is electrically conductive and requires careful handling during application. It is not compatible with aluminum surfaces, so it should only be used on copper or nickel-plated heatsinks. Overall, it's a powerful, professional-grade cooling solution for advanced users. Now number 4, Barrow GPU water blocks. This GPU water block is engineered for high-performance cooling, targeting not only the GPU core but also memory, VRAM, MOS, inductors, and capacitors for comprehensive heat management. It is designed to handle multiple high-heat components efficiently. Its 3-layer cold finger core structure enhances coolant absorption, allowing heat to be drawn away from the GPU more effectively and improving overall cooling efficiency. The enlarged water channel system, featuring up to 43 microchannels with optimized 5+3 asymmetric flow design, increases coolant contact area for superior heat dissipation. Built with high transparency, high temperature resistant acrylic, it offers excellent durability, long lifespan, and resistance to yellowing or cracking. The internal lighting effects also provide a striking visual appearance for custom PC builds. The copper baseplate ensures strong thermal conductivity, while the mirror nickel-plated surface protects against oxidation and extends lifespan. Overall, this is a well-designed, efficient, and visually impressive cooling solution for advanced GPU systems. And our last choice is Thermaltake GPU water blocks. The CLW368PL00SWA is a premium GPU water block designed for high-performance liquid cooling systems in custom PC builds. It focuses on delivering efficient heat dissipation for critical components such as the GPU core, memory, and power delivery areas. Built with a precision-engineered cooling structure, it ensures optimized coolant flow across the baseplate, improving thermal transfer and maintaining stable temperatures even under heavy gaming or rendering loads. The design helps reduce hotspots and enhances overall system stability. Its high-quality construction materials provide durability and long service life, while the refined finish adds a clean, professional look to any custom loop setup. The transparent housing also allows for attractive lighting effects, making it ideal for RGB-themed builds. With standard G1/4-inch fittings, it integrates easily into most water cooling systems, offering flexibility for upgrades and customization. Overall, the CLW368PL00SWA is a reliable, efficient, and visually appealing water block for serious PC enthusiasts seeking strong thermal performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.